actually is not a book per se. It is a compilation of posts that started way back in 2009. And this was something that was, it came out, it was a very serendipitous thing that happened. And I distinctly remember a lazy summer afternoon in 2009 when we had a guest visiting us, a family friend, along with a cousin of his who was a MARCOM, a Marine Commando. And he had been called on reserve during the 26/11 attacks in Mumbai. And during the course of the afternoon, we got started talking about how heroes are treated in India and how, in particular, how the army is thought of as a career option. And one of the things that it really struck me was Nishant, who is the MARCOM, who was a guest at our place that day, said, we kind of celebrate our heroes when we win a war or when something happens, but then we promptly forget all about them. And I responded saying, I don't think that's true. And he shot back and asked me a question which I'll never forget for the rest of my life. He said, how many Paramveer Chakra awardees can you name, for example? And that stunned me because I could just about manage 3, and then between the 4 or 5 of us, we could probably come up to 5. And that shook me because he later on told us there were 21 awardees, and even someone like me who I claim to be very passionate about Bharat and very concerned citizen and have great respect for the armed forces and our heroes, could not even name half of the Paramveer awardees, or even less than, way below half. And I decided that this has to change and something has to be done about it. And what better way than to start than by learning myself and reading about them. And so started a series of posts in 2009, which I called Saluting Our Heroes, and which chronicled the exploits of these extraordinarily brave men and their exemplary courage. And truly, I can say this has been the most inspirational and motivational thing I've done probably in the last several years. It has been a real joy to write this series of posts. I call it a labor of love. It was truly done from the heart, and I hope that the writing reflects that, and I hope all of you will enjoy it.